There's too much. There's too much steps. And wait, there's more. We are here now at the Mars Wine here in Fuji in Yamanashi. We are in the underground grape museum. Winery. Ooh, so they have the cellars here. Cool. Cool. So these big jars behind me is where they stored and aged the wines. Cool. So it says that storing the wine in these jars makes the wine taste a bit more lighter compared to storing it in the barrels, which gives it a woody flavor. We are here now in Fuji and we're gonna do wine tasting. I cannot read what this is. It looks like white wine. So that wraps up our short trip here at the winery in Fuji in Yamanashi. I am here now in one of the most famous places here in Fujiyashida. It's called the Arakura Fuji Sengen. Called the Arakura Fuji Sengen Shrine. So at the base of the shrine, there is this huge story gate that leads up to the staircase going to the pagoda, where you can also see the view of the Mount Fuji and the rest of Fujiyashida. More steps. Oh gosh. I'm a bit tired now. There's so many steps. Oh, seriously. There's too much. There's too much steps. And wait, there's more. So we are almost there. Oh, I'm really tired. There's two ways to get up. There's the stairs and there's a slope. The slope takes longer, but I guess less tiring. But the stairs is, I think, the fastest way to get up here. That's the pagoda. Pagoda. What's the name of the shrine again? Yeah, so here we are at the famous pagoda. So here we are at the famous pagoda, which overlooks the Mount Fuji, which is nowhere to be found because it's covered in clouds. Okay. So here's the pagoda, and Mount Fuji should be there, but it's covered in clouds. So even though we cannot see the Mount Fuji right now, we have a nice view. Look at that. Again, we are here at Fujiyashida, where we visited the famous pagoda and the Arakura Fuji Sengen Shrine. Yeah, I got that right for the first time. Okay, going down, we are taking the slope path. So there's more slope here than stairs. So I guess it's easier. I hope. It's a bit wet from the snow melted. Yeah, Mount Fuji should be there, but it's not because it's covered in clouds. No drones allowed, people. What is that? Song of what? What is that? Where is it from? The what is that?
This is a song of the Mount Fuji.
What the It's so creepy! Now we are driving, going up to Station 4 of Mount Fuji, and the view is very pretty. Look. Now we are here at the Station 4 of Mount Fuji, and it's traffic. We're still waiting for parking. We paid 2,100 yen to get here for the toll going up the mountain. And it's really crowded right now. It's so cold. But at least we can see the peak here. Right there, and the sun is right there, covered in clouds. So cold. So many people. Oh my gosh, I almost just slipped. When we were at the pagoda earlier, this area is fully covered in clouds, and as you can see, it's all clouds, not clown, clouds. It's so cold. God. Mount Fuji is right there, the top of Mount Fuji. So going down from the Station 4 of the Mount Fuji, there's a view deck where you can view the Aokigahara forest and the rest of Fujiyashida. So we're gonna take a look. Let's go. That's so cool. You can see the sun rays from there going to the lake
Kawaguchi.
Kawaguchiko Lake. There, you can see the sun rays. So cool.